Create consistent character in MidJourney. MidJourney version 6 is finally here, and it's the most advanced AI art generator yet. Whether you're an artist, designer, or content creator, this new version brings better realism, improved prompts, understanding, and insane details. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through what's new in MidJourney version 6, how to access and set it up, how to write powerful prompts for ultra-realistic results, advanced settings and features, and the best tips to get the most out of MidJourney version 6. Let's dive right in. Now, before we get started with the official tutorial, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, first things first, let's talk about what's new in MidJourney version 6. MidJourney version 6 brings major improvements that make AI-generated images more realistic, detailed, and customizable than ever before. The biggest update or upgrade is its enhanced ability to understand prompts better, allowing for more precise image generator. The level of details and realism has also been significantly improved, making images look sharper and more lifelike. One of the most exciting improvements is the handling of hands and faces, which eliminates many of the distortions seen in previous version. MidJourney version 6 now supports longer and more complex prompts, enabling users to describe scenes in greater depth. It also offers better image consistency, which is great for brands and content creators looking for uniformity in their work. With this upgrade, MidJourney version 6 is a game changer, especially for those who want hyper-realistic AI art. Now let's talk about on how you can access MidJourney version 6. Now getting started, MidJourney version 6 is simple. First, you need to go ahead and join their Discord server. To do this, you can just navigate through their official website, which is midjourney.com. Once inside, it will then take you to this page. Now, in my case, I'm already signed into my account, but in your case, it will basically look different. You can just go ahead and click on the sign in button, and from there, you will be able to go ahead and click on the Discord server. Right after, you will then go ahead and join with the Discord server right here. And basically, this is where we can go ahead and create our images for MidJourney. Now to get Discord, you can just search for Discord on your browser. And right after, you want to navigate through the official website, which is discord.com. From here, click on download for Windows, and it will now go ahead and install and download to our device right here. Right after that, once again, you can just navigate back to the MidJourney application or website. And from here, we can now go ahead and start creating our prompt. MidJourney is designed to generate unique images with each prompt, which makes maintaining consistency a bit tricky. Unlike traditional design tools, it doesn't have layers or character models that you can tweak. Instead, we have to rely on detailed prompts, reference images, and specify specific settings to achieve visual continuity. Understanding this limitation is the first step to mastering character consistency. Basically, the key to consistent characters start with a highly descriptive prompts. Focus more on specific character traits such as hair color, eye color, clothing style, facial features, and accessories. For example, instead of typing a young warrior, you can describe the character as a 20-year-old male warrior with short black spiky hair, a scar over his left eye, wearing a red leather jacket and cyberpunk goggles. To enhance consistency, repeat key descriptions in every prompt. This repetition enforces or reinforces the character's core feature, making it more likely MidJourney will reproduce them accurately. Also, adding details about the settings, lighting, and the perspective can help maintain the character's look across different scenarios. Now, you want to leverage image reference feature. One of the most effective ways to maintain character consistency is by using the image reference feature. Basically, you want to upload an initial image of your character and include the image link in your prompt. This tells MidJourney to use the image as a reference point, helping to preserve key characteristics. To do this, you can just upload your reference image to Discord, copy the image link, and start your prompt with the link followed by the descriptions. Now, for example, it will basically go ahead and look something like this. you have your image link, and right beside that, you have your futuristic, female, or you have the description of your character. Basically, to do this, you can just go ahead and click on the copy message link on a photo right here. And right after that, you can just go ahead and put it inside the image link box. Basically, MidJourney uses a random seed to generate images, which is why very even with the same prompt. To lock in certain design elements, you can just use the seed command. This command allows you to recreate similar compositions based on the specific randomization pattern. Now, for example, once again, it will go ahead and look something like this. /imagine, now this is our prompt, a fantasy knight with golden armor. And lastly, once again, you have your seed feature, which is this seed example. Now, exploring character variations with the Vary region tool is really important. With MidJourney version 6, it introduced the Vary region tool, which allows you to adjust specific parts of an image without altering the entire composition. This is especially useful for characters' consistency when you want to change only the outfit, background, or facial expression. After generating an image, you can just go ahead and click on Vary. Now let's go ahead and look at an example right here. Now, as you can see with this generated images, we have the option to click on the very subtle or very strong. You can click on subtle if you want some minor changes, or you can choose Vary if you want a strong changes. Right from there, you can just go ahead and point to the image, part of the image that you want to be changed, and you should be good to go. Basically, this feature is a game changer because it lets you refine characters while keeping their fundamental traits intact. Now we have the advanced techniques, which is the character tokens and custom models. For those working on large projects, consider using character tokens or custom models. Character tokens are unique prompt phrases that consistently produce similar results, like using a character's name combined with a specific descriptors. For example, using Alex, the cyber detective in all prompts may help MidJourney learn to associate that phrase with specific visual traits. Custom models, although more advanced, involve training AI with specific character data to generate consistent images. This requires external tools and integrations, but can be incredibly powerful for brands or large-scale creative projects. Basically, for conclusion, maintaining character consistency in MidJourney may seem challenging at first, but with the right techniques, it's completely achievable. By using detailed prompts, image references, the seed commands, and tools like Vary region, you can create characters that look consistent across different scenes and style. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts or any tips you've discovered for MidJourney consistency. Thanks for watching. Happy creating with MidJourney version 6.